We've all seen tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and general chatbots. And whilst they are really fun to play with, merging AI for business is a completely different story. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 AI websites that will give your business a new, better, and more efficient way of working whilst removing you from working in the business and rather allowing you to work on the business. Let's start off with this no-code solution called Zapier. For those of you who don't know what Zapier is, in a nutshell, it's a software that allows you to connect all of your tools that you use online together, from emails, CRM systems, and even your social media accounts. Most of us have heard about Zapier, but we don't really know how to use it properly. So here is a practical use that you can use this inside your business. Let's get practical with Zapier. First, we'll create a Zap. The first trigger will be connecting it to our website, and we will set it to detect a new post. So every time a new post is in our website, it's going to run. Now we'll use ChatGPT or OpenAI to summarize the contents of that blog. So we'll select summarize and continue. We'll enter a super simple prompt, something on the lines of summarize the contents of this blog in the best format for a Facebook post. And if you're wondering what this thing here is, this is a dynamic field. In other words, this will change every single time Zapier detects a new post, which is perfect for automation. We'll do continue and then test step. And now it's created this summary, so we can do add step, type in Facebook pages, create a page post, and now we'll add in the summarized text from the AI and the link URL. So now every single time this runs, it will create a summary that's going to be posted on my Facebook page. We'll do test, and now on our Facebook page, this has just been posted with the summary and the link to our Facebook post. Not only can you connect multiple Facebook pages, Facebook groups, different social media platforms, but you can format each one in a different way. And once you click publish, it's running on autopilot. In other words, you don't need to do anything else. Moving on to website 2, Ideogram. Ideogram is an AI image generator that can do something unique, which is create perfect text inside images. Here's an example. 2 Spider-Man images here, one with Sebastian and another one with Spider-Man. By utilizing a tool like Ideogram, it means you don't need to be spending £49 per image from websites like Shutterstock for your blog, social media, newsletters, and general website design. To use Ideogram, I'd first recommend taking a moment to see how people are entering their prompts. A prompt is a descriptive message you instruct to AI, and AI will do its best to create something from the prompt. If you like the style from one of these images, simply copy the text, head to the input field, paste it in, and adjust it. Then click generate. Once they finish generating, you can then use the remix tool to improve the design based on the pre-existing design by changing the image weight to fine-tune the overall image. And once you've created an image that you like the look of, you can click the download button and that will download the image for you. On a side note, I have developed a plugin that will allow you to download all of your downloads in one click. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to download it. Finally, website 3, GPT-4. And I know you've seen this site so many times, it probably feels like you're choking on it. But before you switch off, give me just a moment to show you something most creators aren't really showing. Inside GPT-4, go to settings and custom instructions. If you use ChatGPT for your business, you can cater your outputs by giving a permanent set of instructions. And all you need to do is fill out these 2 boxes. The first should be catered around what should ChatGPT know about your business. So what's your business name, what's the URL, and a short description about what your business is trying to accomplish, perhaps pricing about your business and a refund period, as well as emails and working hours and the goals of what your business is trying to achieve. And the second should be the format of how you'd like your answers back. For me, I like an authoritative but kind and very simple wording to be used. In fact, I want it to be as if I'm talking to a child. I'm not a massive fan of formal communication, but I also don't like the idea of being a professional and talking informally either. So I prefer a fine balance in between. And all I've done is told ChatGPT that's what I like. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a brief description about my business with the instructions turned off. So once this is generated, pause the video and have a quick read. Now I'm going to turn the custom instructions on, save, and ask it the same question. See the difference? In the first output, it didn't do a great job because it had no basis to write a description on. I didn't give it any information, I didn't tell it what it is I was actually trying to truly accomplish, and it was basically doing its best to answer a question that it had no idea of the facts or the information or any sort of detail. Comparing it to output 2, it knew a lot more about my business, therefore it could create something seriously good because I fed it the information it needed in order to give a good response. And if you compare that to a human brain, it's not really that much different. We use information that we have at hand or we've learned in the past to come up with a response. The less or factually incorrect information our brains hold, the worse our answers are going to be if we can even give an answer. By giving ChatGPT specific information, we are fine-tuning the results, making the outputs much more reliable for us. So to recap this video, we've learned that we can use no-code solutions like Zapier to connect all of our external softwares and automate our business tasks, and that goes across the board. We've also learned we can save fortunes on design services and stock images by using AI image generators like Ideogram. And again, the more specific we are with our prompts, the better the results we're going to get. And with a simple adjustment like adding some custom instructions to ChatGPT about our overall mission of why we're using ChatGPT, say about our business for example, we can fine-tune the results to the point that it gives a perfect response every single time we ask it something. And if we can connect it like that, we can create chatbots that do the exact same for our customers, meaning do we even need customer support anymore? If you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a like, and if you have any questions, I tend to reply within a few hours to 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.